Welcome back to the Port of Sanibel Marina, where we're here working on the launch pad revetment. Hurricane Ian gave us a pretty good beating here. We've taken out the old launch pad and we've replaced 36 inches of concrete here, as you can see. We're doing the approach road for the launch pad today. We're going to be pouring about 100 yards of concrete out here in this pour. And this will bring us to the end of phase 1, where we'll start to then demolition phase 2 and move on and finish the launch pad here. Thanks for checking us out here at the Port of Sanibel. We look forward to showing you more future projects that are here to come. And we'll check back with you next time to show you the finish.